Hey, everybody. How are you guys doing today or this evening, wherever you are at in the world? I have been ordering quite a bit of diamond paintings. I've gotten recently into it. I think I started in December, and I have been hooked ever since. Now, this was advertised on my Facebook. You know how you get these ads, and I wanted to try them out. So I ordered it December 30th, I think, and I finally got it last Saturday. So it took a while. This company is called Pink Gem. So let's take a look inside and see what they have. This is the packaging. Isn't that pretty? I love the colors on here. So, let's see what we got. Those to the side. Okay. What attracted me to this company is I saw this pin. This diamond painting pin. And I fell in love with it. It's like, oh, that's so cute. Yeah, but it took a while to get here. I mean, supposedly it takes 8 to 12 days, but I guess during the holiday season, I guess that, yeah, it's going to take a while. So they got this little roll thing. You roll your canvas up in it. It's a small painting. I wanted to try it out first to see. I don't know if you could tell, but that is the picture on it. Right there. It's llamas. And I don't think this has any training wheels on it. It's a 28 by 21 centimeter diamond painting. You got your DMC codes. Yeah, so there's not a lot on here. 20 drills in it. 20 drills. I don't know if I'm going to have a hard time seeing that or not, but it's poured glue. Pretty sticky. I don't know. I can see the numbers on here just fine. Let's move you down here a little closer. If you guys can see. That has poured glue. For sure. Pretty sticky. I need to get my measuring tape out so I can keep checking. You get your typical stuff here. Let's see here. You get your pin. You get this here. Okay. Plastic baggies. Oh, you get tweezers. Not too sharp. And your boat, your squishy, and a placer. Pretty cool. Your wax in this little container. That's a little lid. That's pretty cool. I like that. This is a liner. I'm still learning, everyone. So there's that. And then let's take a look at the drills. Let's see. Find the opening here. And that's what it looks like. The picture. Llambas with a rainbow or alpacas. Yeah. And it shows the bags, your DMC code, this code here, and the amount here. Okay. Now let's take a look at the drills. So these are squares. Huh. I guess I didn't pay attention when I ordered this. So let's take a look here. Got some those. And those are, oh, I love that color. 154. And this is 200. Oh, I love that color. And that one. Got a couple of them. And then $7.91. They look pretty good. I don't see any junk or any intruders. I don't see any of that. $8.19. That's one of my, I love this color here. $9.55. $5.52. $8.23. Let's take a look at these rest of these. Excuse me. $1.54. $5.50. $9.39. Another $5.50. Oh, I like this yellow. $30.78. These have some nice drills. They're not, I don't see any type of junk in them. Yep. Is that one? That one? $7.18. $8.19. I love these colors. Look at all these nice colors. It in white, $38.65. More pinks, $6.04. And $36.07. It looks like you get a little booklet, scan to earn. And it tells you the gem bags, the paint, gem bags, and the wax jar, tweezers, the pen, canvas. And it tells you how to do it. Yeah, the pen thing right here. I think it lines it up maybe. And just tells you what to do. Like a nice pamphlet. And then you scan to earn right here. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. I like it. Don't know when I'm going to get started on it though. I've got this one I'm working on and one over there that I'm trying to finish up. From Diamond Art Club. I'm getting there on that one. And then once I'm done, I'm going to get it framed and put it in our living room. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I'm getting there on that one too. And I'm working on some crocheted items. I'm just running a little behind on it. I'm working on a cowl right now, and I want to make a hat with it. Almost done with the cowl, but I gotta make the hat. That is it for the paint gems that I had ordered. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Hit the notification bell. I try to put videos out either every other day, every day. I have a Michael's haul I need to post on here as well. I need watch hours. So please watch my video all the way through. If you're new to my channel, I haven't subscribed to you, leave a comment down below, and I will definitely show the love back. I'm a firm believer in that. You subscribe to my channel, then I will definitely be subscribing to your channel. If I'm not, please let me know in the comments. I have no problem with that. Alright guys, I'm going to load this video up. So I gotta run some errands today. So you guys have a blessed day. Bye.